Welcome back to step number 3 of your website development process. Now, in step number 1, we connected our hosting account with the Namecheap domain name. In step number 2, we installed WordPress, which is the world's most powerful content management system. Now, today we are going to do step number 3. Are you ready for this? Are you excited for this? You should be excited because your website is going to get a brand new look, very colorful, very attractive for your visitors, and it's going to be super simple. Step number 3 is all about installing a WordPress theme. Let's get started. Step number 3, installing the theme. In order to do that, first thing you need to do is log in to the dashboard of your WordPress account. Okay, how do we do that? This is where we ended yesterday, if you remember. The website looks like this. If I have to get to the dashboard or the back end of your website, /, just add / at the end and type wp-admin. WP stands for WordPress - admin is administrator. So you are the administrator of this website. That's step number 1. Okay, we are done with that. Next thing is to clean it up. Okay, if you look at the dashboard, there's a bunch of junk that we'd like to remove. Yeah, all these things. What I do is go to screen options, uncheck the ones that you do not want. I just did that. So I leave only at a glance, which is this. If you notice, there is one post, one comment, and one page. Now, I did not create that. It comes inbuilt when we install WordPress. It's like a sample page and a sample post and a sample comment. So this is the backend. Looks neat. The dashboard looks cool. If I want to see how my front end looks like, again, take your mouse over to the top left where you see my blog. Right click on that and open link in a new tab. Now this will take us to the front end of our website, and this is where we ended yesterday, right? Not very attractive, but give it a couple of minutes and see what happens. You'll see the magic. Okay, we are on to the dashboard. I make changes here and I can go back in here and basically reload this page and you'll see the change happen. Nothing will happen right now because I haven't made any changes yet. Okay. Now, are you ready for the theme? We are going to use a really cool theme, okay? For that, we'll have to go to the main menu called Appearance. Under Appearance, there is Themes, and then we are going to add a new theme. This is your menu. We have a bunch of different things. I'm going to go into Appearance. You don't need to click on it, just hover over. Take your mouse over, then go to Themes, and there is a bunch of different themes that are already installed. Again, these are the things that are already inbuilt, pre-built as a part of WordPress. Okay, the first one, obviously the one we see right here in the front end, that's called 2020. That comes inbuilt, pre-built from WordPress. There's a couple of other ones as well. Let's say I don't like any of these. I'm going to go with my own style. Now, it's very important that you pick a theme that basically resonates with your audience, right? For example, if you're a clothing store, in this case it is, we want it to be very clean, at the same time very colorful and fashionable. Now, if it's about kids school, like a preschool, you might want to have nice cartoonish, very colorful website. So be careful what you choose. How do we do that? I will go into WordPress org themes right here. If you notice, there is a second button. For some of you who did not buy it from HostGator, you might see a different option there. Look for Add New. Okay, right next to Themes, there will be an Add New button. Click on that, you'll get to the same screen. All right, so we have some featured ones. You see this, a bunch of colorful ones. Great. Next one, Popular. Okay, you will see hundreds of different themes right here. Okay, hundreds, literally. And you can choose the one that makes sense to you. What I do usually is go with something called Astra. That's one of my favorite themes, and you'll know why. Right here, if I click on this, it's going to give me some details. Just like we install an app on our phone, you see, you can look at the star ratings. It's got 5-star ratings with over 4,700 people who've rated it, which is amazing, and I like it. And then I will click on this install button. Go ahead, click on that install button, and then you'll get an activate button. There we go. Just click that, and boom, we are in, right? Astra is now installed and activated. Let's see the magic right here. Remember, I told you this, how it looks like. It's just a matter of right clicking and reloading. And boom, we have a change of layout. You see, it's a neat little canvas like layout, but believe me, we'll make it colorful in a couple of minutes. Just stay with me, okay? But this already looks good. I'm a kind of person who likes to have white background with just black text. Very simple, lot of breathing space. When I say breathing space, I'm talking about this space all around. It's a good thing to have. It's called white spaces. All right, now it's called white spaces, obviously, right? Now, how do we get started? When I click on this little theme, you see there's a bunch of different options, okay? And they give something called starter templates, which makes the website look beautiful, okay? Let's click on the starter templates. When I do that, when I click on starter templates, it's going to take me to this screen, okay? It's going to ask me what page builder do I want to use. These are some very popular page builders. Again, what is a page builder? These little widgets, plugins we call it in WordPress, allows us to basically drag and drop on our website and it'll look beautiful. You'll see it in a minute. Remember, if you know how to send an email, you can build a website. You don't need to know HTML, CSS and JavaScript and all that big stuff. Simple. That is made simple with the power of WordPress, a theme, and now this beautiful little plugin called Elementor. I'm going to install Elementor. I just clicked here. There we go. Right? These are the different templates within the Astra theme, which is awesome. Okay, let's see which one could I use. I'm looking for some free stuff. Usually the paid themes will have this agency blue box here. So while the puppies look beautiful, I couldn't use that because it's a paid theme. I'm looking for something free right now. This looks okay to me. White, gray, my kind of a thing. You literally have hundreds of different templates you can pick up from, right? Good. So what I'll do is for this, I'm going to pick up the same one. So there's a couple of options. I'll just click on import. That's all it really is about. Welcome back. So the theme and the starter template are now successfully imported. It took like 2 minutes for me to get it imported on my website. Now you can go to the front end, look at this and see the magic happen. Right click, I'll reload it. And boom, we have a beautiful looking website already, right? Beautiful. All right, that is it. Look at the website now. It looks beautiful, attractive, isn't it? Very simple and it's absolutely free. That's how we install a theme and use an Astra theme basically in this case and use a starter template to make it look beautiful. Next step is about replacing these different elements such as images and text and make it even more beautiful. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to do that, and also I will look at all the different menu options on WordPress so that you can build your website as simply as possible. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.